What's up guys, it's Nick from Chat-to-SSH So there's a new option called PlugBot. PlugBot is a built-in chatbot to the dashboard. So you no longer need ChatGPT to interact with your server. So you create a title, we'll call it testing 123. Create chat, let it load. Alright, now you can talk to it exactly how you would talk through it through ChatGPT. So what's my server is running slow. What could be the cause? Please check all listed options. Okay, let it load. And now it's running commands directly on your server. Just let it load. Again, it's figuring it all out by itself. Okay, perfect. My server actually isn't running slow. This was just what I could think of off the top of my head, but yeah, it works exactly how it worked in ChatGPT. If you guys have any questions, concerns, I read the emails. Please don't feel afraid to send me a message, and thank you.